Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to apply a reflection effect on your pictures or image on your Microsoft Excel mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to apply a reflection effect in pictures or image on your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. For that, I just going to insert an image here from my mobile phone. After doing the image, you can just crop or filter whatever the option you just needed and click on the done option. I'm just going to resize it. Now I just need to apply a reflection option here. So if you click on the picture, you will see this picture tool option here, and here you will see this option on picture effect, and here you will see an option called reflection. Click on this. So the first option is no reflection, and the next is reflection variations. So there is total of 9 different themes of reflection. You can just select it. You can find the reflection, how it's look like. So you have a closed reflection, or if you just need a half reflection like this with a gap, you can just select the which type of reflection you just needed. It's simple. You can just create the reflection whatever the state that you just needed, and like a half shade or like a full shade, whatever. So this is how you just add a reflection effect on your image on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.